S&P 500 in 2025 may be very difficult. This video, you have to watch it if you want to buy any stock. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Now we look at the S&P 500. This chart is 12 months. So one candle represents 1 year, okay? The entire year. So it's very critical. So basically the S&P 500, they have kind of like a pattern. Until some pattern is broken, we still follow the trend, okay? So now you can see, what can you see here is two green candle. One red candle, three green candle, one red candle, two green candle, one red candle, and then three candle again, three green candle. So basically it's two and then stop. Three, stop. Green, two again, stop. Three again, stop. So this year we have two green candle previously. So this is the third year. Okay, so it's not yet finished this candle, but you tell me, is it very high chance to fresh a red candle here? I mean, this year. What does it mean, red candle? It means closing below the opening, which means the last day of the trading days in 2025, S&P 500 has very high chance to fresh a lower closing, than the beginning. Okay, so it's very high chance because it's 2, 3, 2, 3, and then 2. Okay, so it's a very high chance we have a red candle. This is 12 months. Is it possible we break the traditions? Yes, it is possible. Oh, hold on, let me charge the battery source. Hold on. It's possible, but for the possibility, it seems like we follow this trend. Basically, from 2002 to 2009, we are using this trend. Okay, so let's see how Trump deal with this. Okay, so the president may be strong enough, maybe they can break the pattern. Who knows? Okay, so the next thing, but I want to check with you, the S&P 500 or crypto, they always walk like a clock. Okay, so basically two, they stop, three, they stop, two again, they stop, three again, they stop. Okay, it's like two-step stop, three-step stop, two-step stop, three-step stop. Okay, so now it's two-step again. Does it make sense to you? Okay, so the next one I want to check is a 2-month chart. 2-month chart also S&P 500. So something I want to check is RSI. Something very easy. The first thing you will notice is divergence. This is a 2-month chart, by the way. So one candle represents 2 months. I want to show you the big picture first for you to have a mindset how to do the stock market this year. Okay, is it better to be very aggressive or is it better to be very safe? Okay, so or very fast pace to trade the stock. So now you can see, for example, here, this one, you have a divergence. Okay, when they are above 70, when they are overbought, they have a divergence, and then they have a long period of the correction, which is basically around 72 to 80s. So basically 8 years of correction. So you can see what happened here is after the divergence, they start to have a side like down, up, and then they basically did not move much. So basically, if during these 8 years, you did not invest in the stock market and you buy here, which is still fine. Okay, so you save a lot of time and energy. How about here? Look at here. This is around divergence happening from 1998 to here. 2000. Okay, this they have a divergence here. And what happened? Again, when the divergence finish, when they drop below 70, they start to have the sideways. Down, up, down. It's quite a big range, by the way. Down, up again. But again, if you invest in S&P 500 index, okay, if you put this year, you don't have any profit. You don't have any profit. You better to put in the fixed deposit, okay? Because you don't have profit at all. You see here, you waste a lot of time, basically from year 2000 to 2012, okay? Unless you're buying here, okay? I also will teach you how to buy here and here, okay? But I want to tell you, when you invest in S&P 500, is it always guarantee winning? It's not really. It's not really. Another thing is right now. Basically, we have also divergence from 2015 to now. You see, high is lower and lower and lower. And we haven't touched this line yet. We haven't touched this line yet. Okay, so now after this divergence, is it start yet? The correction, is it starting right now? Not yet, right? Not yet. Every time you need to look for two things. Number one, the RSI, they have to drop below 70. They start. Okay, they drop many times, to be honest. This is a 2-month chart, but they drop many times. The second factor is you look at YM club long, this line to tell you the trend line, and this line is quite instant, to be honest. So when they drop below 70, for example here, if both factor, if this blue line changing direction, you mean this is the start within this box. Okay, drop below 70, and then the blue line start to become flat. Okay, and then they start. Okay, they start to have a sideway. Okay, so basically right now we haven't changed the direction yet. We haven't changed the direction yet. But again, I want to give you a bit alert about this year. Okay, because I don't want you to buy high and sell low. I know it's very fluctuating right now. So right now we already for S&P 500 already they have a lower high, lower high, lower high. And you can see also the lower low here. It's quite interesting. If you see here, they also is doing a channel here. Okay. So if you trade within this channel, this morning I also show you how to trade within the channel, right? You sell at the upper line and you buy here. You sell upper line, you buy here. But for the S&P 500, I have another way for you to trade. So first, I want to give a bit alert about overbought right now because we have the divergence again. And not yet, we haven't start the correction yet, but there's an alert already. Okay, so you need to be careful about your position. Another thing, how to buy here. Look at YM chip entry. This is a 2-month chart. So basically, one candle fresh, you can wait or you can use your strategy, but they tell you the institution buying here, and this is a 2-month chart. A 2-month chart, it doesn't fresh very often. If you look at the whole history, S&P 500 recently only fresh basically 4 times, which is back to 1970, and then 1975, and then 2002, and then 2009. So which also mark each time, basically when they finish the buying is the start of the bull one. Okay, now it's doing opposite. Now we need to be careful. Now is the time to sell, not the time to very aggressive buying because institution is not buying for very long term right now. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you in the next video. Bye.